The TP-Link Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter, designed for desktop PCs under the model name Archer TX20U Plus, offers superb connectivity solutions for modern internet users. This adapter is equipped with AX800 wireless capabilities, operating efficiently on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, ensuring outstanding speeds and minimal latency for various applications, from web browsing to online gaming. Its high-gain dual-band 5 dBi antenna ensures a consistent and far-reaching signal, making it ideal for users requiring reliable connectivity. Additionally, it incorporates the latest WPA3 security standard for advanced data protection and supports both Windows 11 and 10 for widespread compatibility. The TP-Link Archer TX20U Plus is an excellent choice for upgrading your desktop's networking capabilities, providing a robust and secure internet experience. Consider this adapter to elevate your internet performance in a cost-effective manner.